Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Quesadillas de Flor de Calabaza using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh squash blossoms, your favorite melting cheese like oaxaca or mozzarella, and corn or flour tortillas. We'll also prepare a quick filling with finely chopped onion, garlic, and a touch of epazote for authentic flavor. This simple approach ensures delicious results every time. Now, let's prepare our delicious filling. Start by gently cleaning your squash blossoms, remove the stems and any pistils inside. Next, in a hot pan with a little oil, sauté your finely chopped onion and garlic until they become translucent and fragrant. Then, add the cleaned squash blossoms and a few sprigs of fresh epazote. Cook for just a few minutes until the blossoms wilt, releasing their delicate flavor. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble these delightful quesadillas. Warm your tortillas on a comal or skillet until they are soft and pliable. On one half of each tortilla, generously spread your favorite melting cheese, followed by a spoonful of the squash blossom mixture. Fold the tortilla in half, pressing gently. Cook each quesadilla for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until the tortilla is golden and the cheese is perfectly melted. Your easy squash blossom quesadillas are now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot with your favorite salsa, a dollop of crema, or fresh guacamole. They make a fantastic appetizer or a light, satisfying meal. This simple recipe brings authentic Mexican flavors right to your kitchen. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.